đi bộ ở nó đi tàu chứ mày tai đi thảo này à thảo này chiều nó right here a little bridge right here and you make a left ไม่มีใจไม่พุ่งออกHere you see little bridge right here. You make a left. You can fish right or you can fish left. I go left. And keep going. Về tại trái mình cũng ngay là về cắt cái gì ọ. Nãy bạn hả đó tôi nhọ. You can fish anywhere right here. You can fish here. You can fish down there. They all have a crawdad. People house right here. You can park right here and go across, fish up, fish down here, the other side. Phía men bạch không? Giờ cháu chỉ men bạch. Right here, I park right here and then I walk across to the other side. The street. You park trên này, cháu chỉ men bạch không? Net tile. This time I bring net so I can catch more, so I don't lose the little nets. Across street, walk across street back. A lot of water. Cross street. Fish on this side. Let's try it out. You go to the Dollar Tree, buy the they call laundry net for laundry, but I buy it to cut it, make a net. Make a net. Cut corner like this. Cow liver. Cow liver and chai bếp. Nhặt cho. So that come out easy. This. And you put like not like this. Tight like this when I get down. Okay. Throw in there. So you can throw far away. Hai chơi tu cô nhỏ. Too far away. Leave for a little bit until anh lao tăng ở. from the hole. Nè, như đâu á? Đâu xuất đâu á? Cả nó xuất. Xuất đâu đó? Nè, nó xuất. Nè, bị cái nhớ mấy lọ. Bị quất như nó. Check this one. Ooh, I see it. Right there. Got one. Let me get my net. Tự tao lắm. Got one. Tôi nông tao. Big one. Ooh, two. Three. Three, but only got one. Oh my god. Only got one. Tụt nôm thôi. Pua nôm bảo tụt nôm thôi. Oh, two. Three nè. Look, three. I thought it's only two, but three. Got three. God, it's really good for fishing. Really nice for fishing. Late like this, 4-5 o'clock, perfect time. When you put down, they come and bite right away. Ooh, Allah! Look at that! Ooh, four. See it? Look at it. Where is it? See it? Ooh, lucky. Oh my god, thôi đỉnh á. Oh my god. Oh, come out. Only got one. That thing that đang qua khoáng chỗ như đốt gì nhá. That bushes take my Crawdad away. Oh my god, only got one. A lot. Four in there. Only got one. got one down there. Tự nôm nó. Only one. Man, that's perfect bait. That's perfect bait. Ooh, a lot right there. See it? Ooh, a lot. Look at that. A lot right here. I don't know how many. Let me get it. I have to do it real easy. Easy. One keeping dying. I don't know why. Look. How many? 4, 5. Come out 2. Bia nóng bà, đót dình ạ. No. Ui dụ. Rồi tao bà béo à. Nó bà béo dạo tay. Nó có quá. Ăn chỉ hả tụ tao quá. I just put down and then caught 2 already. Got 2 already. See it? Ooh. See it? Nguồn tàu. Dạo tàu không cái đó mà. I just put down not even 1 minute. Got it. Let me check this one. How about béo nữa? Grow very slowly. Mà như thế. Oh my god, look at so a lot. I don't know how many. Look at this. Oh my god. I don't know how many in here. Dang. Look at that. How many in there? How many in here? 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Let me try to get it. Oh my god. I wish someone hold it for me. Oh my god. 7. Hold that. When you open that. I catch all. Look at that. Oh my god, look at it. I catch all. How many? Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? Oh my god, look at that. When you put it a little bit longer, it's got a lot. Let me ăn something, don't do something. Look at that. 5, 6 o'clock นะตัวนี้จะมาbằng cá tôi xong con rồi nè. This how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7. A lot. When you leave a little bit longer, you got a lot. Mà ăn lao tăng nó nên tụt xong ta ổn nè. Tụt tiên thử. Got a little bit right now. 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It come out a lot. Oh, I forgot to put my down here. It's gonna be a lot. Cứ nhàn luôn. It's enough to eat. Okay. Got 3 only. Rồi con. Cái đấy. This time like 6 o'clock, you can barely hear it out. This time they just come out. Nó cho hổ na, hả hố mông nó cho hổ na, nhưng nó cho khoảng chỉ trắng sữa nó vừa căn chết rõ. This is good for fishing, but I can't eat. I eat today this time. Look at that, it's still don't wanna let it go. Look at that. 3. Ow, ow, ow. You're pinching me. So big. Ô tổ không tệ à. Look at that. Oh, 4 nè. Look, 4. full. I think they come and get the Crawdad too. Look at I got 4. Yeah, got 4. Better hurry up, getting late, getting dark now. So better catch faster. Otherwise, they go away. What's in here? Little 4.
What kind of fish are you?
Oh, I caught Crawdad.
Oh, Crawdad. Oh,
Yeah, not fishing.
that's what I was telling about the little
Crawfish?
the little dirt mounds, you know?
Oh, little dirt mouth? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Have you? Oh, see, look.
Yeah, I caught crawfish. Crawdad.
Yeah, those are real good. I like those.
Yeah, it is. It's
Oh, I
really
was
good.
wondering what you were fishing for because you got that ball of.
What is that?
No,
Oh, yeah, it's like cow liver.
Oh, cow liver, yeah.
Cow liver. And then, yeah, put in the net and so won't go faster, you know?
Right,
They
and
won't.
then they grab it and
Yeah,
they pull them out.
yeah. So
Oh.
their crawl was like stuck in there
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
net. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's. Last time we just only tied the lever, but it's gone fast.
Oh.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
bite.
no, especially when you're like this, it's better to have a little net.
Yeah. No, last time we like kind of hurry. So
Oh, look, see, look.
oh, it's go away. This is carbon. Yeah, we kind of hurry, so we're not prepared.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and you have to have a net too, so we catch easy.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Otherwise, you lift up and then they go away.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They
If you take them out of the water, they let go.
they don't go. Yeah, it's really fast. So you just use a net,
Yeah.
but you cannot use the net scoop. They give you a ticket.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you cannot use the net, go down there and scoop.
Oh, no way. I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
so you
Good to
just
know.
have
If
to.
I would have got a ticket, I would have been.
Yeah. And then now you cannot use hook. Have a hook, you know.
Oh,
so
no. Can I see that?
You
one?
can. Yeah. Look. Yeah, that's a. You know when you go to buffet,
Yeah.
they cook like this and for us to eat over there too.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Let go.
Can you? Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, it's pitching you. Okay. Careful.
Yeah. No, they pinch, but
Yeah.
you see the tails, the one.
Yeah.
You just eat the tail.
Yeah.
Like little shrimp. Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
So there's no limit. There's no limit for.
No limit. Yeah. But you have to have a fishing license.
Right. But
Yeah.
do you have the fish lines for both poles?
Yeah, you have to buy two
Yeah,
fishing
that's what I
license.
got.
Yeah.
Every year I get 2 poles because
Yeah.
I go fishing for striper and for
Yeah.
catfish.
Catfish.
So
Yeah.
I like to have 2 poles because it's better. You know?
Yeah. Me too. I always every year I use 2.
Oh.
Yeah. One not enough. Not fun.
I have a little
Uh-huh.
Crawdad
Uh-huh.
cage. Are you able to use those here?
No, you can't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not. It's some area.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but this area they don't let you use the like
The little
like
crab net?
yeah
The
net
little
no
net, 'cause I
yeah
have one. It's a little one.
yeah they don't allow you do that. Yeah, even hook you cannot use the hook too.
For what? For
Therefore catch
credit?
Crawdad. Yeah,
Oh, really?
you cannot. Yeah, you cannot use the hook to hook the liver and put down. You cannot do that
I
too.
wonder why.
Yeah,
What if you tell them,
I don't know why.
What if you say I'm catching catfish?
No matter what.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. 真係齊公華樂個。
oh, yeah, you got a lot of videos.
Yeah, I'm making. Not everywhere. Oh, it's only one.
Now.
It's gonna coming out.
Yeah. And when do you post videos?
When?
Yeah.
When I post? Whenever I have time.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah, I got one. Yeah, okay, get that. This is really perfect for bait like this, but not too big. Yeah, not big like this. Only eat.
Oh, the bigger ones are.
The big one
Yeah.
eat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cooking. This one good for bait, but I keep it for bait. me see. Let me see. Ooh, I got it. Oh no, go away. Oh, one go away. One is gone. Only one. Nó béo mới lo. Nó béo nữa. Only one. Ow. Pinching me. Only one spot, chặt a lot. Only, bắn nắm tổ không bảo tu vào nái thăm này. Like, I got that much, only one spot. What about if I go all the way down and all the way up? See, you gotta get a lot. In a 2-3 person catch, gotta be faster. I get a lot, but it's just coming fun for myself. Cover myself. Let's see. Ooh, got two. One of them got away. Get away. Only two or one? Oh yeah, two. Got only two. Man, this is really good. Good for fishing. So nice. Cái gì lệ? Hoàng nữa nhỉ nó. Cái gì lệ? Được vậy. A lot. Oh, it's too big. It's not a lot. It's too big. Too big. Got three only. Look at this one. Look at this one, so big. This one's so big. Look at this one. Woohoo! This is so big right here. I always grab the beer. Crawdad beer. Crawdad như xem ở đó, he always not catching big. Oh, only one. Vậy. Talo. Kenapa tuh talo? Talo ta. Crawdad nhỏ nữa. Crawdad nhỏ và đâm tới tên. นมตามเนี้ยค่ะสุดที่nha như hắn đón mình hắn nó nhẩn á là cái good dinner good dinner right there. I dropped my bait and then the Crawdad caught. Come on. Oh, two. No, two. Oh, two. Two. Really fast. Got two only. That's it for today. Going home. Cleaning up. Make sure you come in. You're using whatever you trust. Take it home and throw away. Okay? Don't leave in here. It's not good. Keep the city clean. Okay. Alright, I pack it home. Đừng béo luôn. Và nãy cả nhận lọ. That's all I got today. That's all I got today. Right here. Fish are here. Tao bạn nó ta nãy ổn. Mày nha. That's all for today. When you're too early, too hot, not biting, but it's late like this, it's not biting. So they have their own time to eat. Okay, let's go home. That's it for today. Tôm yum cúc nữa, cho hai con. Make đi mày ạ. Crawdad soup. Coconut oil. Đi nào. Oil. Red curry. Like this. Mày à, thịt canh đó. Sung. Ai padang. Ini pad. Lamb leaf. Makes me good. I love that. Getting hot fat. Gồm sẽ là nhìn vào nhìn vào trong xếp của cao với xếp chút xem mà em này ngay luôn mà cảm ơn họ mấy cái rau phải như thế mà nhìn luôn đúng không mà nào trôn thì là suy ở cái ăn đấy nó làm bốn look this it's really fast xếp tại nè của yên này put some chili tomato frozen one I don't have fresh one but I put frozen one some fish sauce. Yes, almost done. Don't cook too long, not good. Nó rồi tạo sau lao nó liền sụn nhỏ, nó liền sụn ăn. When you see the crawdad red, that means cook. Nó mới còn những cái hang này nhảm rau. Cứ ăn trên sông. Yên si. Liều lọt nhận tua ní now ready to eat big one yummy củ tàu suy tải củ tàu tôm yum cung nè cái tiền tao có về tỏ tết với con dùng Canada nó là với nhau con vì phải tao tạt số là tôm yum cung khu hải nói đây của tao nhỏ lấy sinh ngon nhìn mà như chọn tài lý tao tạt số nhận anh đi come eat cái này là suy tả sour spicy nhằm sao hàng tăng phải I just cook đó nè
Siéntate.